GTX-18.
Let's go, Brandon. Got to get full poles to stay in this. So let's see what Brandon can do. Class 6, 2100 on the boat. See what Brandon's gonna do here. It's a GTX 18, first time out pulling. Rebuilt the engine the last couple of days. Brandon did a lot of work on it, George. Let's see what Brandon's gonna do here. Troyville by Bowling. Going there, you Brandon baby, you Brandon baby, keep it going, you got it baby. Brandon got a full pull. Nice pull there, Brandon.
Next up I got George Sloss on the Bowling Storyville GTX
Dad's
20.
coming up. George's coming up. Got Brandon, Brian laying waiting in the arrears there. Get this boat. Stone boat pulled back. Guys cleaned the track up. See what George can do with the big red here. Puts a lot of work into these machines. The charge pump is screaming. Still running though. 2100 on the boat. George needs a full pull to stay in there. Track is getting soft, bend soft, getting softer. Find that right line, George. I don't know what they're doing here. Oh, a little kink in the chain. There we go. Crew's on the ball here. There it goes, George. There it goes, there it goes. He got it going. That bump went.
Okay, full pull for George.
He got it.
Brian Brophy's
That
up.
pump is screaming for mercy.
Watertown on the Bowling's HG20.
All right, we got the Brian coming up here now. In the big white. We got Brian. We'll see what Brian can do here. Come on, you Brian. 2100 on the boat. Terryville Fair, August 2015. Beautiful day, Western Connecticut. Don't get no better. See what we can do here, Brian. 2100 on the boat. Need a full pull, Brian. Give it hell. Let it rip, Brian. Come on, Brian. There you go, Brian. Keep it going, baby. Shit. Found a hole. He couldn't get out of that hole. Well, that's it for Brian.
Wow.
Nice try. George and Brandon still in it.